Hi, today in this video, I would like to show you how to earn $1,000 daily with zero investment as a beginner. Yeah, this is the Make Money Online tutorial that you need to follow if you are a beginner and want to earn money online like thousands dollar and you have no money at all. Without investment, you just work as I say and you can earn decent amount of money daily without any problem. But before I show you the method, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest Make Money Online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, let's move on to the method by which you can earn thousands of dollars or more daily with zero investment. And as a complete beginner, you can do this. The site that I'm about to show you today is called, youtube.com. We'd like to go to youtube.com and search for this is an example channel that I have come up with today. This guy is making more than you can imagine. I will show you later. Just see his channel. It's very good. It's just soothing relaxation channel that has some videos and images and playing a music in the background. And this is really, you can see the views amount 500k views, 100k views, 300k views. It's huge. 1.7 million views in this video. He just make without showing his face and doing a little work, and that's it. If I just go over to the socialblade.com, this is a site that analyze YouTube channels and show analytics of and earnings of any YouTube channel you want to see. So if I search it on this channel on Social Blade, you can see that, you can scroll down and you can see that this is his monthly earning. It's around 18k to almost $300,000. It's for my experience, it's between somewhere. It's not 18, it's not 300, it's on average middle of something. Anyway, he is making like 20 to $30,000 every month, and you can see yearly he's making more than $300,000 up to $3.5 million with just simple videos. You can see these are some simple videos stitched together with a music, and it's good to go. And these videos are, you can see, 10 hours long video, 3 hours long video, and so on like that. And definitely you can do this if you just follow this video, see the video in completely and do as I say, and you can make that as well. So if you just want to earn money from YouTube, there are two options I'm going to show you in this video. First option is you need to apply for AdSense account. AdSense going to pay you for their ads showing on these videos. So what is the requirement for that? If you just go over to their YouTube partner programs overview and eligibility, you can see that they are required. You have to have more than 4,000 valid public watch hour in the last 12 months, and you have more than 1,000 subscriber to your channel. So if you just go over to YouTube and create a brand new channel for this, it's not going to get 1,000 subscriber in a day. So you have to work it, you have to upload videos and wait for some times to get those 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber. That's it. But definitely I'm going to show you the way you can just start earning money right away without any subscriber and watch hours, and you can definitely build a solid income with this. So the thing is how we are going to create these videos. So for that, I recommend you just go over to unsplash.com for images. You can find many more sites like pexels.com and pixabay.com. All these sites are really a big database of images and videos that are copyright free, royalty free. You can just use it in your video without any problem, without any worries about copyright issues. So you just go over to unsplash.com, as we are looking for a soothing relaxations channel. So people are really interested to see nature like photos and something like this. So all you have to do is search for nature. For example, you can also search like rain, search like autumn, search like sky. It's all around nature. So if you just search for nature, you can see that thousands, hundreds and thousands of photos that Unsplash showing you, that you can just right away download and use it in your video without any problem. If I just go over to pexels.com, and if I just search their nature, and you can see that in their video section, it's all really cool nature videos. You can see that there are all very soothing relaxations nature video that Pexels have. And if I just go over to Pixabay and search for nature, and you can see that those are images, nature images. And for in the video sections, you can see that all are these really cool HD quality videos that are you can just download and make it into a video and upload it into your channel, and you can earn, definitely you can start earning money. All you have to do, just for example, in this video we are going to use these two videos that I just want to download it, and I have downloaded it. You just select a video on in something like this, and I have also select this video. For example, this is two video that I choose to show you. And if I just go over to free download, and you can just download your resolutions, your expected, I recommend 1920 by 1080. This is the best resolutions to work with. You can work with high resolutions as well without any problem. Then if you just download it to your PC, you need audios. How you can get copyright free audios for your videos? So you just go over to Google and search for like YouTube audio library free. So this comes up with YouTube audio library link. You can just search in here. This is the youtube.com audio library link. You just click on it. You have to log in with your Gmail to create the YouTube channel. You just need that login to access this page. This will show something like this. This is the YouTube channel dashboard, and it's showing the audio library. You can just find it right here. All you have to do is just scroll through this. These all are musics that are divided into genre, mode, artist, durations, and license type. You can hover over license type, and you can see that no attribution is required for this music if you just download and use it into your videos. So all you have to do is just select ambient and hit apply. It will just show the ambient musics. And if I just go over there and search for like mode, and if I just select calm and apply, and you will see all the calm ambient musics are showing right here. And all you can do is just click on this download link here, and you can right away download it into your video. You can search for any music any way you like. I just, for example, showing you this. You just download it and you're good to go with this. So we have videos, we have audios without any problem. So we have to make video with this. So all we have to do is just go over to openshot.org. This is the site that gives you a free video editor to make videos for this. But how can we make videos? Before I show you that, if you're liking this method, just go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you always stay with my videos and my channel. So let's continue with the method. When we are on openshot.org, you just download their applications or software and install it. This works on Windows, Mac, and Linux as well without any problem, and it's very easy and simple and free to use. But if you just don't want to use, you can make videos online as well. So for that, if I can recommend is just go over to Glideo.com, and this is a free video tools that you can make videos online, and which is really cool. All you have to do is just go over there and click on video maker, and it will ask for you to choose your files. As I have chosen my files, I have downloaded 2 videos of it, and I get a music from YouTube. I just upload them using this choose files button, and it will show something like this, that I have just uploaded my 2 videos and they are already stitched together. And you can see that here I have added a audio of it, and it's just really cool. You can see how cool the video is already just by uploading it and playing it. It's a really cool way to make this video. So all you have to do when you are just satisfied with the process, with the video and with the audio, you just click export here and you are good to go. You can download that file to your PC and upload it into your YouTube channel, which is based on relaxations. And this is really cool. You can make some videos, download all those videos from Pixels and Pixabay and Unsplash, and just stitch it together and make an hour-long video with it, and you just upload it to your channel, and without any problem you are good to go with that. Then you have to go for the traffic. How can get watch hours and subscribers? So for the new channel, you cannot get right away subscribers or views, but day by day you will get tractions. But for that, you have to let YouTube algorithm know that you are an active YouTube channel that upload videos regularly. So you have to make 3 to 4 videos at least. Daily is recommended, but at least you have to make 3 to 4 videos per week, so that you can let YouTube algorithm know that you are an active creator, video creator, that are really want to help YouTube to get more viewers and more subscribers that YouTube always love. So all you have to do is just regularly make these videos. Definitely you can make videos daily like this. It is just very easy process. You just spend some hours and you can make videos daily. It will notify YouTube that you are an active creator, and then they're going to automatically promote these videos to the features post, and it will get more viewers, and more viewers it will get, more subscribers you will get, and more popular your channels will be. And 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscriber you will get in no time. Within some months of works you can get that without any problem. This is the first process. You can start building your channels and start earning money. But if you want to earn money right away from the day one, all I can recommend is to just promote some affiliate products. You do not have to apply for anything. It's just sign up and good to go. On the first day, you just paste your affiliate links in your video descriptions under here. In the video descriptions, in the first line, you just insert your affiliate link, and more people are going to watch your videos from day one. If they go through your affiliate link and purchase that product, you will get commissions. So that affiliate systems that you can follow is, you just go over to Google and search for Amazon affiliate programs, and you can see the first result. You just click and go to the Amazon affiliate program of it. This is a really cool way to start making money. All you have to do is just free sign up there and just search for products, and you will, if somebody go through your affiliate link and purchase that product, you will get 10% from that. And it's already, if they just don't buy it right away, the cookies is going to stay in their devices, PCs, and in some day in near future, if they decided to buy it, is still you are going to get 10% commissions. This is the very cool way to start earning money. All you have to do, as we are relaxation channels, we are go to amazon.com and search for relaxations, and you can see that there are hundreds and thousands of products related to relaxations, and you can see that these products are really popular. People always love relaxations. If they want to sleep, if they want to rest, if they want to be happy, they need they need to be relaxed, and these products are really high value in demand, and you can just select those products, apply for the Amazon affiliates, and get those affiliate link and paste it into your video descriptions, and right away you are getting traffics. From day one you can just getting traffics, and if people go through, definitely relaxation related peoples or buyers are going to view your videos, and if they go through your affiliate link and purchase any of these products, you will get 10% commissions for that. This is from day one, and day after day you just start making videos, and someday you will get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscriber, and then you can apply for AdSense, and your earning will skyrocket at that time, and you can earn thousands of dollars people are making with YouTube, and you can earn that money too. So all you have to do is just be active, and then money will always follow you. All you have to do, just follow my instructions and to as I say you to do. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.